So what's the best bait for giant bluegill? And how the heck do you use it? Well, today I'm using soft tortilla shells. I usually use them because they're clean and they're easy to use. Some of the best baits are fried chicken skins. They work really well. You got to do this dance if you want to catch lots of fish. I'm telling you, it works. Now, the best way I know to fish for bluegill, I use 2 hooks on a fluorocarbon leader. I use high visibility line, no bobber, no weights, number 2 size eagle claw hooks, and I just free line it and let it drift naturally to the fish. Now, the fish will eat just about anything that you like. There are a few things, though, that they don't like. I found out today that they will barely to not even at all eat Captain Crunch cereal. That's right, the fish do not like Captain Crunch very much. I suppose it's because it doesn't get soggy and it cuts the roof of your mouth. It was on a cartoon once where the Captain Crunch was denying it. That's right. Captain Crunch said, "It's a lie. It certainly does not cut the roof of your mouth." But we all know that it does, and we still love it. I guess we're gluttons for pain, right? Well, they did eat some of it this morning when I tossed a handful out there. But I think they quickly went down and told the rest of the school that it does cut the roof of your mouth because they sure didn't eat very many of them. But at any rate, there are a lot of things that they will eat. Like I said, anything that you like, they'll probably like better. Well, that's about it from the Piranha Pit Fish Farm. That's science applied. From the fisherman to you. Tight lines.